Learn how to customize your product tagging display. Go to Product Tags in your sidebar and click Setup under Product Tagging Posts. First, in General Settings, toggle on Show Product Reviews and Rating to display star ratings and review counts alongside your products. This builds social proof and encourages purchases. Scroll down to Product Block Presets. Choose Vertical for a card-style layout. Click on any product block to see how it looks in the mobile preview on the right. This layout works great for showcasing product images prominently. Or select Horizontal for a side-by-side layout with image and details. Click any block to preview this compact design that's perfect for displaying more products in less space. Under General Settings, customize your background color, border radius, and border styling. Enable borders and choose border colors to match your brand aesthetic. Expand product info to customize product names and pricing. Adjust text size, font weight from semi-bold to regular, and text colors. In Add to Cart button, customize the button text, size, font weight, and border radius. Choose text color and background color to make your buttons stand out and drive conversions. Next, enable Featured Product Title to add a heading like Featured Products. Customize the text size, font weight, and color to create clear section organization. Check the box. Apply mobile settings for desktop to use the same design on both devices for consistency. Or uncheck it to create a unique desktop experience with different styling. On desktop, just like mobile, you can customize all the same elements. Choose between vertical or horizontal product block presets, adjust general settings for background and borders, customize product info styling, modify your Add to Cart button design, and set up your featured product title. Once you're satisfied with both mobile and desktop designs, click Save to apply all your changes. Your product tags are now perfectly styled and ready to create professional, branded shopping experiences across all your social content. Thank you for watching our video.